Our topic is about the option in Microsoft Excel about wrap text. What is wrap text? Wrap text means you can add multiple, you can split long text into multiple lines in the same cell. I can show you how. This is Microsoft Excel and this is the Word, and I can select the option wrap text. Have you seen this? The word is adjusted. Same, I have selected this option in this cell, and the same option I have chosen in this cell. Now I unchoose the wrap text option. Have you seen this? The word is market facilitator text, and if I choose the wrap text option, market facilitator text. Have you seen this? Thanks for watching this video. Other small things are in the next video. Thank you.